Welcome to ChatGPT series. Today we are going to see how we can build a website using ChatGPT and CSS, HTML and JavaScript. This is an example. Let me copy this text which I'm already having this one to pass it into the ChatGPT window. Once I enter this, it will generate me a sample code for all the three files like HTML, JavaScript as well as CSS. So this is a basic application which will take numbers and it will guess based on the random number it generates. If it matches, it will say success. If not, it will show it's a too low or too poor. Okay, this is the code it is generating. So it's a very basic ChatGPT application. So once the files are generated, so we'll go back. I think the data is still getting generated. Let's give a couple more seconds. Here you go. The data is generated. Okay, first let me copy the HTML file content and go to the Visual Studio, open the HTML file and paste it over here. Come back, copy the CSS code, paste it into the style.css file. Come back, then copy the JavaScript code from the ChatGPT and paste it into the script.js file. I see there is a correction here. It's not styles, it is just style. Let me correct it and save it. Alright, now all the three files are ready. Let's save. Go to the index.html and run without debugging. So once you click on that, just launch it in the Chrome browser. Here you go. This is your application. Let's just quickly enter one and see, enter three and two. Okay, awesome. This is working fine. Let me make it centerline. Let's ask ChatGPT itself. Now copy this updated CSS, replace that here, save it, go to the index.html and run it again. So once you run, it will launch your web application. Now it's a center aligned. Just quickly check some samples. That's all. This is your web application built within 2 minutes. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.